Hello everyone, this is lesson number 5, HSK4, chapter number 2, and we have a lot of new words ahead. So let's start. Today we learn 8 new words. First one is yen, it's salt, but be careful because salty, it's xian, not yen, it's just salt. Let's see. This dish needs a bit more salt. 这道菜需要加点盐。这道菜 here's 道 measure word for dishes. So 这道菜 this 那个菜 like dish. So 这道菜 this dish 需要 needs 需要加点 oh here's 在加 it's to add 加点 to add a bit of and 在 you can translate like one more or again or as you can see a bit more salt. Here you can skip translations, just say more to add more salt. So it's a bit a little bit more, you can say add a little. So yen, so a bit more salt or to add a bit more salt. Let's see once more. This dish needs a bit more salt. 这道菜需要再加点盐，再加 to add again 点 you can say a bit or 加点 to add a bit of 盐 salt. Let's see next one. There is a jar of salt in the kitchen and it's almost gone. 厨房里有一罐盐，快用完了。厨房it's a kitchen. 厨房里 inside of kitchen, so in the kitchen. 有 has 一罐盐 here is 罐 a jar. Can 清汤 so just little stick from iron. 厨房里有一罐盐 so a jar of salt. 快用完了 it's interesting construction. Almost gone, we almost gone. So 用 it's to use, 完 it's to end, and you can say it's run out, use up. Use up is good one, or up and down. So 快 it's here is like almost and le also like 完了 finished and so 快用完了 it's I think it's like a construction you can use together or just by themselves. Let's read again. There is a jar of salt in the kitchen and it's almost gone. 厨房里有一罐盐，快用完了，almost gone. Next one is 友好，friendly. We remember 朋友的友，很好的好，友好。Here is 友 it's a friendship, so when friendship is good, you friend, right? He is very friendly and everyone likes him. 他对人很友好，大家都喜欢他。Here is interesting construction. 对人 it seems like for people, right? But on human to human, on people, 对人对人 at people, on people. You can misuse it 为人 with this one, but it's behavior. It's a bit another word, behavior. human people, human is also something like that. Okay, 他对人很友好. So he's for people, he's very friendly. 很友好. 大家 everyone 都 or just everyone or everyone all 喜欢他. Everyone likes him. Also pretty simple second part. He's very friendly and everyone likes him. 他对人很友好，很友好，大家都喜欢他。Everyone likes him. Next example. There are two countries maintain friendly relationships. No, there are the two countries. Or just two countries maintain friendly. Why we need the? Let's read. 两国保持着友好的关系. So two countries, 两 it's two, 国 country, 两国保持is to maintain, to keep, remain. So 保持 and like it's in the current state. It's happening right now. Maintained, kept, enjoyed. 两国保持着友好的关系。友好 friendly relationship. 友好的关系 relationships. The two countries maintain friendly relations. 两国保持着友好的关系 And next one is 相反 opposite or on the contrary. 反 it's to be contrary, to opposite, something like that. Against, counter, again, anti. And you remember 相 it's we need relative or mutually. So 相反 opposite or on the contrary. His ideas are completely opposite to mine. 他的想法和我的完全相反。他的想法 his ideas 和我的 and mine 和我的完全 completely 相反 opposite. So you can see this is mostly adjective or as here adverb, also could be adverb in contrast or by contrast, and sometimes it could be means, also even noun, reverse or verse. His ideas are completely opposite to mine. 他的想法和我的 and mine 完全相反 completely opposite. Let's see another example. I thought he would be angry. On the contrary, he was very calm. 我以为他会生气，相反，他很冷静。我以为 I thought 以为 it's to think, but when you thought about something or expect something, but it's happened in another way. It was a false, false. You can say false thinking. I suppose something, but but it was upside down. Something like that. 我以为 I thought 他会生气 he will be 生气 it's to be angry 相反 but on the contrary 他很冷静 is very calm 冷静 we remember 冷 like cold, right, freezing cool, and 静 static or stillness or silent, right. 我以为 他会生气。相反，他很冷静。冷静。Next word for today is 商量。商量 to consult, to discuss. 商量 let's see. Discuss, consult, negotiation, talk about. Mostly verb. We need to discuss tomorrow's plan. 我们需要商量一下明天的计划。We need 我们需要 we need we have to 商量 to discuss or 商量一下 to discuss a bit you can say 一下明天的计划。计划 it's a plan and 明天的 tomorrow's plans 明天的计划。And let's read again. 我们we need to discuss tomorrow's plan. 我们需要商量一下明天的计划。So you can say 商量。I would say it's not used so much. Sometimes we can say mostly we use 讨论。Let me see. 讨论。mostly as you say 讨论 or 谈商讨谈论。So you can say 商量 or almost in the end. But still it's in a HSK form. 我们需要商量一下明天的计划。Let's see another one. He consulted with the landlord about the rent issue. 他和房东商量了租金的问题。房东 it's a landlord. 房 is like 房子。东 I think it's 东 it's a east, but I think here is for Chinese history when people come from west to east, you're like a like a host, and you need and you need to invite visitors, so something like that, connect with history. 他和房东 he was a landlord 商量了 discussed or consulted 租金租 it's to rent 金 it's money, so 租金 it's a rent money or rent issue. 不是 issue rent 租金的问题 questions issue rent, so it's a price for your apartment, for your renting, right? So that's why 租金 rental lease rental charges is okay. He consulted with the landlord about the rent issue. 他和房东商量了租金的问题。商量了 This word is be very careful because it's not so much used, but also still could be in your HSK exam. Next one is 教育 it's pretty popular, education or to educate. Because 教 it's to teach, 育 is like knowledge, education. Let me check the character on the keys. 对啊，悦 and 育 so that's why. Education is very important for a child's growth. 教育 对孩子的成长很重要。教育 to teach or education 教育对孩子的 for children's 成长 it's to become 长 grow so growth right become adult or grow up develop so 孩子的成长 the child grows 很重要it's important 重 it's a heavy 要 need so heavy need it's important significant so education is very important for a child's growth 教育对孩子的成长很重要对 for right for child next one parents should educate their children to respect others 父母应该教育孩子尊重他人。父母 parents 应该 has to or should 应该教育 here is before 教育 was like 名词的 right noun but here is 教育 it's verb to teach so they should educate to teach right 父母 father and mother or parents 应该教育 has to teach 孩子 children 尊重他人尊重 it's to respect it's a bit hard word for now but still sometimes it could be mean 尊重这个尊重 respect 他人 what does it mean 他人他 we know it's he 人 person but together it's others another person or other 他人 so parents should educate their children to respect others 父母应该教育孩子尊重他人 parents should respect parents should teach how to respect other people right next one is 叶子 leaf 叶子 Polish Bougainvillea. In autumn, the leaves on the trees turn red. 秋天，树上的叶子变红了。秋天 it's autumn 秋天的时候，秋天是秋天树上 on the trees 树上 but叶子 leaf but which leaves on the trees that's why we use the 树上的叶子 the trees the leaves that are on the tree 树上的叶子变 to turn to change into red one right 变红了 to turn red 变红了 let represent the change of situation in autumn the leaves on the trees turn red 秋天树上的叶子变红了next one this tree has a few green leaves 这棵树也有几片绿色的叶子棵 it's a measure word for trees that 这棵树 as you can see and 树 on the left part there is a character radical represent tree 木 right and in the 棵也是这样 also this one so you can imagine this is a measure word for trees 这棵树 this tree 有 has 几片 here's 片 it's a measure word for leaves for 叶子 so 几片绿色的绿色 it's a green color 绿 it's a green 色 color so 绿色的叶子 green leaves This tree has a few green leaves. 这棵树有几片绿色的叶子。Next one, it's 规定. 规定, rule or regulation. 定, it's something stable, where establishment, fixed, determinate, and 规 is some regulation, rule. 规定 or 规则 also could be 规则. Or 规则.规则. Also, the same 规, right? The first example, the school's regulation states that the school's regulation states that students cannot bring phones. 学校规定学生不能带手机. School's regulation states here states like a verb that students cannot bring phones. 学校 the school 规定 the law of the school 学校规定学生 student 不能 cannot 带 to bring 手机 phones. So here's 规定. It's I think it's to establish, so to require, to prescribe. So here I think it's a verb. 学校的规定 also could be. I think here also could be a noun regulation, school regulation, or the school regulation states. So I think both could be. 学校规定学生不能带手机. Let's say another example. According to the rules, we must arrive on time. 按照规定，我们必须准时到达。按照 according 按照 according or in according with in accordance with or in according with 规定 rules. So 按照规定，我们必须 we have to we must 我们必须准时到达. So 到达 is to arrive and 准时 on time. 准时 on time time. 准时是 it's a time. 准 I think it's 准备的准 accurate standard. So according to the rules, we must arrive on time. 按照规定，我们必须准时到达. And last one for today is sir. We know it's like to die, right? Die, kill, but also another meaning of rigid or inflexible. Let's see. His thinking is so rigid. He doesn't know how to adapt. 他的思维太死，不懂得变通。他的思维 thinking 思维 thinking thought mindset also is good mindset idea mentality. 他的思维太死 too rigid too inflexible. Dimension 维 thinking dimension. 他的思维太死，不懂得变通。He doesn't know how to adapt. 变通 adapt modify. 变动 it's to be. I think it works together. Understanding the time and adapting to the circumstances. 事实同变。 I think here is 懂得变通 it's together. Oh, the dong it's to understand something. 变通 it's how to change, how to adapt, how to turn yourself, that modify. So his thinking is too rigid. He doesn't know how to adapt. 他的思维太死，不懂得变通。Don't stick to the rules inflexibly. Be a bit more flexible. So we know inflexible. So let's see. 别死守规定，灵活一点吧。别 don't so strictly. Show has a lot of meanings, but here's guard, defend, maintain, obey. I think obey. So 别死守 don't stick 规定 to the rules 规定别死守规定灵活一点吧灵活 it's to be flexible agile 灵活 lively be so adjustable, right? Flexible, responsive, resilient, adaptable, scalable. 灵活一点吧 a bit, right? 一点吧 and ba for be, like let something do be. So don't stick to the rules inflexibly. Be a bit more flexible. 别死守规定，灵活一点吧。Let's read what we learned today. 盐 salt 盐友好 friendly 相反 opposite on the contrary 商量 to consult to discuss 教育 education to educate 椰子 leaf 规定 rule regulation 规定 and so rigid inflexible. Let me see this one. Not this one. 商量 can be settled through discussion. 好商量 to discuss in whispers, to talk or something. Well, are you 商量 so are it's a are it's a ear, so are you to show very whisper, to show whisper. Okay, we have one new idiom for today. Last time we learned 倾巢而出 to turn out in a full force. 倾巢而出 it's a bit hard. This one is for today. 雪中送炭 Let's say 雪 is a snow symbolizing a difficult or cold situation. 中 in or during. 送 to send or deliver. 炭 charcoal representing warm or aid. To offer timely help. To help in time. 雪中送炭。明白了。So when in time of snow, you send coal for to him to provide him warm, right? Aid. Let's see. This idiom reference to providing help when someone is in desperate need, like sending charcoal or just coal to warm someone in snowy weather. It emphasizes the value of timely assistance. 雪中送炭. He lent me money when I was in a great difficulty, truly offering timely help. 他在我最困难的时候借给我钱，真是雪中送炭。He at my 在我最困难的时候 the most 困难 is hard 最困难 the very hard 的时候 the time of very hard situation 最困难的时候借 to lend 借给 or to lend you can say also 借给 or you can say 给 for right or lend for me 借给我钱 so lend for me money 借给我钱真是 really 真是雪中送炭 really offering timely help 真是雪中送炭 Let's read again 他在我最困难的时候借给我钱真是雪中送炭这个借给我钱对 This one is really interesting idiom. And we have one new tongue twister for today. Last time, remember? 扭扭扭扭扭扭扭扭 Today we learn this one. The stone lion is wet with water. 是狮子是水是狮子是水石 it's a stone 狮子 it's a lion 是 it's a wet and 水 it's a water so 是狮子是水是狮子是水是狮子是水是狮子是水对 so that's all for today see you next one